next word is lofty. Lofty means overly proud or highest. Buying the new luxurious car made him feel lofty, of course. Lofty, overly proud, highest. Dates from the 15th century. Originally, lofty, feeling high. The highest building in town or a skyscraper can be called lofty. Lofty, overly proud, or highest. Lofty. Our next word is unerring, which means no errors or perfect. LeBron James is an unerring shooter. Unerring. Avicii is an unerring music producer. His music is just perfect. Unerring. No errors. Unerring. Erring means errors. Un is a prefix which means no. So no errors. Unerring. Our next word is congenial, which means suitable to your needs, sociable, or pleasant. I like to go out with Sarah because she is very congenial. Congenial. I love the restaurant by the lake. It's very congenial. Flawless. Flawless means without any weaknesses or defect. Coldplay's last night performance was flawless. I enjoyed every single minute of it. So flawless, without any defect. You can also notice a song by Beyonce, which is named Flawless, meaning perfect or without any defect. Flawless. Flaw means defect, less means without, so flawless. So flawless means without any imperfection. You got an A+ in math test because your test was flawless. Taciturn means habitually silent, talking little, or reserved. I used to be taciturn when I was little. I didn't like to talk too much. Taciturn, reserved. Taciturn. It's not a good thing to be taciturn in a job interview. Taciturn, talking little.